Hello na naman mga katropa at ako si Aaron. Magandang umaga, hapon at gabi sa inyo. Tignan niyo naman si Loki action figure. This is homemade guys. Mga katropa, tignan niyo naman mga detail niya no. Lahat ng detail gamit lang yan karton. Oh, yun lang. Karton ng Beyblade ko. At may Beyblade din ako. Oo, siyempre. At kung bago lang kayo dito sa channel ko, ay mag-like and subscribe na kayo. Meron pala din ako i-announcement sa inyo, ha. Huwag kayo mag-like and subscribe sa Kibol Family. Scammer si Steve. At mamaya end the video, meron na din ako isesend na video sa YouTube channel ko. Mag-like and subscribe na kayo kay Ash XD 10032. At tignan nyo naman siya. Kung meron kayong alam na Lofty video, this is it's Lofty. If you watching this, look, you can buy my Lofty action figure just 50 cents. Yes, just 50 cents because it's cheap. Yeah, look at that. She have different mask. Like this one, look at that. It's a happy face. This one is kinda scary. This one is serious man. Where's the other? Oh, okay guys, this is his face. She have no mask. Look at it. She's just with a duct tape. And this is the iron mask. I have more than. I have the ninja one, kind of, and we have the angry one. Let's put the angry one. Look at that, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna defeat you. She have 3 hands. This thing is punching. This one is releasing. This one is open because you can put armors. By the way, guys, like and subscribe na rin kayo dito. Kasi ito ay hard work ko. Look at that. I will paint this thing. Look at, she have an armor, guys. Wait. Pause. Hey guys, so she is posing. Hey, funny. That's my mom over there. Just, I don't know, checking. That's my mom. Look at that, guys. It's big figure. Okay, guys. I'm gonna more explain this in the next video. Like and subscribe to part 2. Bye-bye! Like and subscribe! No.